Okay. 2 crab them and meat in the jug. You see that? Yeah. 2 of them and meat in the jug. Them now. Crab beers. Yeah man, good morning guys. Welcome back with your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So today is the day when I link up with Chef Gary, who work at Hilton Hotel. He's also bringing some person all the way from Portland. You know, it's gonna be another excited vlog today, you know. So we are gonna give them some curry crab with green mango, roti, rice. The amount of thing we're gonna cook for the channel today guys is like a party, you know what I mean? So first and foremost, I want to give thanks to everybody who has support Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. You know what I mean? Welcome to the new subscriber. Them we appreciate all of the comments, we appreciate all of the love, you know what I mean? Like the channel has grown so fast. I really appreciate it, you know? So machine them we are take out, you know. Yeah, one of them this one. Yeah, man. See them? But monster. Yeah, monster man. But you have to go tie the bag real tight, start, you know what I mean? Start bust up one another in your bag. Get it? So like you start kill one another already. Backside and start kill one another in here, you see? You see that? Here monster in a hit guys. Hold the rasta.
Yeah.
One people, as I say, a movement's there today. The vlog ram today, I swear, like maybe about 20 odd people.
Or more.
Yeah.
Jam pack there today. Jam pack. Go across to look river.
Yeah, we're there now. We're headquarters.
Our headquarters we there.
Headquarters, this I know.
Yeah man, street river, our headquarters.
Yo, last week you had to slide right up to the burger.
I'm supposed to drop all of them.
Man, too much pork.
Come on, pork your chest, boy. Pork your chest.
Kita kedua. Mind you, Jap.
Oh, no, what happened? Joseph, cook, alright? Here comes Joseph, yes.
Apa man?
Yeah, but you want to go there?
Haya.
Yeah. So yes, peeps, welcome to another great adventure. As you can see, we're there with headquarters, Sweet River. Yeah, man. So we'll get the pork seasoned up and then we get the crab them sort out. We'll clean up the pork and season it up. In the meantime. As you can see, tall man gone back, we left the ice pitcher, so we gone back and get the ice pitcher and some ice. So we are going to kick off the bag. So stick and stay till we get the meat seasoned. I'll get the pork chop up now. Good old pork. Oh man, flavor it.
Yeah, Nina, eat it.
I eat the pork
Oh,
today.
eat it one day, man.
I eat it today.
Who have eaten?
Oh.
Nina, eat it. Then what?
Curry crab today.
Money have curry crab. Enough.
Good old pig. Yeah, you can see it on a small pig. It's soft. Now I'm going to take a long time to cook.
Back to the tail. Wash out.
Put it like that. So we'll get the pork wash off and throw some vinegar. Vinegar, cut the rawness. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lime or sour orange. So peeps, we'll get the pork seasoned up now. We'll add in some crushed pimento seed. A little meat season. Garlic powder.
Oh, cut that one.
Pork season. Maggi all purpose. I will add in the marination season. Rub in here now. Smell the spice. Good old pork already. Tastes like it. Smell like it's cooked already. Just by adding the seasoning. Rub in the good old seasoning. I'll leave it marinate about 15 minutes. With a one taste. Yes man, I eat this. Yes man. So yes peeps, as you can see, we'll get the crab them clean up. We'll clean them up now and get them seasoned up. Come on for the fire. Yeah man.
Come on, fire that in.
The crab them clean. Get out them pan and them toe. Then you come and get them brush up. Crab for days man, see back a crab man, take him man. Crab for days.
Yeah man, hold him over there to bang.
Whole heap of crab.
Come stand. Yeah man. Crab for days, you know? Yeah man. Hold heap of crab. Curry crab.
Crab and roti, curry crab and white rice. Greener. eat and bust but today, now waste nothing.
Yeah, and shame.
Where are they? On the outside,
Hmm? You know, can I pot come here? You know, it's not.
Oh, get the crab and clean up, so come and go and get them clean up there.
brush their teeth. You wonder what
Yeah man, just stick and stay and go and watch the process till we don't clean up the crab them and get them seasoned up.
Yeah.
So yes, Steve, so you get the crab them chop up now. Just get them seasoned up. As you can see, Chef Gary join with. Yeah man.
Yeah man. They are bust up some crab and them things. That's what I say.
Really? Yeah man. They are get the crab them salt out. Yeah. Whole heap of crab for days. Yeah man.
One thing with them crab here, you have to clean them properly.
Yeah.
If you don't use a toothbrush or a clothes brush and clean them crab here, you don't clean properly.
Yeah.
You have to clean them properly with a brush, either a toothbrush or a clothes brush.
For real, man. And you can see me scrape out the juice out of the back. Without the juice out of the back, curry crab can't nice. And some people say they cook curry crab and not taste good. Without this, can't nice. Yeah man. I get the crab them clean up. Curry crab for days, curry crab and roti. Curry crab and white rice.
The people, we put pepper and tell them burn pepper, yeah. Jesus, please, when I look over me, say, for them killing enough and murder, we are saying.
Oh.
That's why they say parkside good curry and use it and wash your mouth. When you go in bed and wash it and use it up and then use the mystery after. Or you can buy the one where you stick one of them so they just pull out and put it in your mouth.
Don't worry.
And the Jesus Christ, when every girl just have chat up in my face.
You're not going to.
Yes, people. Wash off the crab, yeah? Some of them on pan on crab. Crab for days.
I first one to come.
So I guess I can say today is an all subscriber day, guys. Like subscriber turned out today like nothing, I swear. I say big up to Mr. and Mrs. Wallace. First time I joined the channel, you know? Link up on the Caribbean Vibes team.
See my shit, this is
That's some peeps. Manners and respect, that's alright, you know?
Yeah.
That's alright, yeah. Serve me later, a bit early or whatever.
President just read.
Yeah, just there, you know? Yeah.
I use a purple pepper. So if you guys are aware of purple pepper in Jamaica, you don't really play around with purple pepper. So I use some ginger. fresh scallion, onion, garlic, along with thyme.
No smoke over there.
So I literally I junk them because them are going to eventually cook out. So I use some pimento seed. Crack out the pimento seed. Like white. Crush the garlic. Tend to get more flavor out of the herbs and spice when you crush them. Yeah, we also going to add some blended seasoning. A powdered seasoning, a little black pepper, all purpose. So we season to taste. Always room for improvement. We not just dash season and then eventually put too salt. So we add a little fish season. Crab is considered shell food, so anything in a shell is considered fish. Garlic powder, another different all-purpose season, powdered, some pork powder. Likewise, we are going to rub in, and we are going to taste if there is nothing you want to add more to it. So big up to the subscriber them will come through. There's a lot of them today. Big up to Mr. and Mrs. Wallace, first time linking up with Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Dear one subscriber from before the channel even have 100 subs. Today I have some curry crab with green mango, roti, pork, white rice. Yeah, we are going to add some jerk season towards the pork. We also going to add a little soy sauce just for color. Here we are add some pumpkin and the curry crab. So what this does now is give the crab a rich, thick body along with good flavor.
Curry crab for days.
You don't get none of that, so nobody come by your curry crab for days. Watch it. Yeah, so we are stirring.
The recipe will jump up here today.
You know, some are cook and some non cook. So we have to keep on stirring.
Yeah man, I said something on the vlog, you know. You know what I think go. Caribbean vibes. Place to be. On the Sunday I was up on the riverside. Just a chill out and cook some food. I do some curry crab, you know. And you know, so we have to get it same way out. Content have to go out same way. Alright, that's gonna say a word. Big up the video man same way. Andre? Yeah. Yes, thanks for there. I enjoy ourselves on the Sunday.
Yeah man, same time to go.
Real.
5 o'clock.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, Mr. Coat.
Shy people that come from vlog.
What do you tell me? Man, just play.
See that?
Man, you just play.
The whole stick.
Boy, watch out.
It's not a stick, it's a wood.
Yeah. So we have three meat in one here, so. And we want to export them so go on, but that's how it go. You know, we turkey neck and white rice and all this and that side. You know, the other side. So it go. Next time we do some big, you know? Yeah. People then come all the way from Portland, so we have to say, we have to look at what something give them people to meet, you know?
Yeah man,
Represent the Portland. Yeah, bless you.
Portland and Westmoreland link up.
Antenna.
Yeah, antenna this one.
Show the antenna. This is a part that Talman wants.
Hood part.
Yes man.
That you want.
Antenna.
Last part.
Yeah man, now get to the pork in the pot now.
That's all I do again.
Yeah. That is some good pork. Yeah, add them in, you
Watch out, look what that pork man is cooking, you see it?
that a fear big.
I'm here alone here cook for.
You alone.
Where? I'm here alone here cook for. Where? So I'm here alone. Come to you. Half pound of pork.
Where?
Half pound of pork.
No, man, you're mad, man.
No man.
I am
They call
pork
me
lover.
name.
No, me think I'm going to look over here.
They call me name.
Yeah,
Watch
brother.
out. A half pound of pork man I cook. I want to tell man.
Jed, me think I'm going to go before, you know.
A war over there. A war over there.
What kind of war? You're mad, smelly. Sure.
You have to see with him, guys. You know what they you come with category. You have Rasta,
Yeah.
you have Rastal,
Yeah.
and you have Dread.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and Dreadlock.
Yeah. So you're which one? Rasta or Dread?
They are both
Or
of them.
Rascal.
You're pork.
They are both of them.
I pork of them.
Or ship of them. In there.
Listen.
You take all the pictures.
Come on, post it now. Come on, post it now.
Come on, people, we have to big up to Chef Gary.
Yes, man, we got them.
All the way from Hilton Hotel, you know. With some people all the way from Portland, so that's how we are kick it. Caribbean Vibes collab with Chef Gary on the channel.
Yeah.
You know, so we are rabbit, we are pork, we are crab. Done. We are roti, we are rice.
Yeah.
That's how we are do it. Yeah man, a lot of people up on the channel today.
Yes.
People who have followed the channel from day one, you know what I mean? So it's a subscriber day, link up today.
Yes, man.
Really appreciate the love when they come on the Caribbean Vibe. Up to your baby. Up to your liquid baby.
Yes, man.
They're on the channel.
Yeah, man.
Heart of love.
Yeah.
Heart of love. Yes, man. We have a support thing. Yeah.
Big up,
Portland.
yeah, me I say big up,
Portland,
big up, big up your boss lady, Chrissy. You know what I mean? Number one in my book. So you
How is I
know.
represent?
Yeah, big up, big up everybody, Mr. Singh. You know what I mean? Day one subscriber, wherever show love to your page. Really appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Love conquer all, bro. So I love where I deal with, you know what I mean? So we just run up this a little vlog and make everybody have a great time when they come on to food. A simple thing. Rabbit, crab, pork, a simple thing.
Alright, you know, today I'm the guest chef on the program, right? And I'll be doing some barbecue rabbit. Now, in the interest of time, I have already seasoned my rabbit and just ready to go on the grill now because we have a lot of things doing today. We have crab, we have pork, we have rabbit, we have rice to cook. So you know, in the interest of time, I've already seasoned the rabbit. And how I season my rabbit, I blend some local seasoning, onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, and marinate him for overnight. So in well seasoning, well soaked, because most of the time if you don't marinate your meat from the day before, the season now go soak. You see me? Whereas if you marinate him for 2 days and have him in the fridge, trust me, well nice. Alright? So the grill light up and now put your rabbit on the grill now and make him go on. You know rabbit meat not really hard to cook, you know, because you see rabbit, the bone is very tough, but the meat is tender and soft. Now normally when time I jerk rabbit, I don't really cut up it in a small pieces. You just cut in a two. Whole. My God. Yeah man, so you go fold up that one here, put on the grill. That's one half. And as you can see the meat well marinated. 2 half. And then now we have the liver. Drop him right here. Yeah. So we're going to put on the cover here now and just make it go on slow roast. The time being. Alright, so this is the start of the rabbit.
Yeah, people. Check for the crab, you know? Yeah.
One more hit crab again.
So we done 2 videos when it come on to crab, but it's the first, so I'm actually gonna do a crab with green mango. Yeah. So the 2 videos that I shoot already pertaining to crab is crab with white rice. This is crab with roti. You know what I mean? Roti is originally Indian cuisine, but you know there's a Jamaican motto out of many, we are one. So we have Indian, we are Hispanic, we have French, we have Dutch. So many people living in Jamaica. So I'm just adapting a little bit of the Indian cuisine right now, which is the curry crab with the roti. Yeah.
That's jerk too.
You just eat all the ice. Because you don't go from her. With ice.
Yo, she love ice, man. She love ice. She love ice. She doesn't eat ice.
It's hot, man. It's hot.
I'm hot. Oh my. So last week you say you don't want to come.
Remember saying, you know, it's a vlog channel, you know. It's a cooking channel, so anything we cook on the channel, we have to eat it.
So no dog alone
You want to forget? You don't worry about it.
Look and see if you now go see me eat antenna pork. Antenna. Antenna. Look and see if me now go eat that part that pork today. You watch and see.
Alright.
So you're about to call my pork today. I'm telling you.
So you go eat some of my crab.
No, what taste is that crab?
No, you go eat some of my crab.
Yes, crab. I crab, I grew up on eating crab.
Yes. So I grew up and eat pork, guys. So
no,
me no
you say
problem.
you eat pork for your bad.
Alright.
You say you eat pork for your bad.
Today are the day when me I go eat pork.
You say you eat pork for your bad.
Alright,
Today are the
I grew up on eating crab.
Today are the day when me I go eat the pork.
Today day I eat pork.
Okay, so
okay.
We are all about witness here.
And the best part of pork me I eat, you know. Kind part you see me go down. Like a wipe up on the car. That's the part of me I eat on the channel today.
Yes, guys. In cousin them a jump off. Watch them. Yeah. Yeah.
With party water.
Nice vibe at Sweet River. Caribbean Vibes link up with some people from Portland and some subscribers. Yeah man, we team out today. Bring on in cousin them.
Now tell some people to subscribe.
Jump on. Jump on.
Subscribe! Man, wait and wait. After subscribe, you done to the... I want to see again like. I'm like!
Cheers. Yeah peeps. I can see fire. There's a free rabbit. Yes man.
Tuna Monday, guys. Boss, you get promotion and now, you know.
Yes, man, like yeah.
Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog assistant.
Yes,
Yes
man.
man.
Yeah, boss get promotion.
Put some
Green mango.
Green mango, you know, put on the crab, you understand? Yes, man.
See there.
Sure.
Stringy mango.
You know, we are a team from morning.
Anti-cam. Out. Come on. I see subscriber them out. Yes man. It's a thing.
Like, share and subscribe.
Real man.
Caribbean Vibes. Can't go wrong with that.
Real.
Can't go wrong.
Yes man.
Straight.
For days peeps. All the crab lovers, shoot out.
All the crab lovers.
Yeah guys, so me I go check the crab and how you know so the crab cook. So how you know the crab cook? You pull it through, you know?
Yeah, man, I burn it.
Gone through.
Yeah.
So that's how you know the crab cook. So when you know sucking, we are pull.
Not sucking.
No, we just pull it. Pull the flesh of the crab through the shell. Yeah, no sucking, brother. Yeah, so actually I check on the pork, people. Because I don't really want the pork to overcook. As you know, I want the pork to be stiff. Because if the pork overcook, when you put it on the grill, it's going to start break apart. So you just want the pork to be tender enough where it can be eaten. So I give it like about 5 more minutes. As you can see, pork catching good color. Yeah.
I can see Talman get the mango them cut up. Put in a crab.
Yeah, so I'm just cutting them in some cube.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, so I'm going to add them in now because I don't want them to even cook out. So you know the mango I go add flavor to the crab, but also when you're actually eating the crab, you can actually not only taste the mango but actually pick up the mango. So that's how Caribbean Vibes cook curry crab with mango. Yeah, so big up to all of the people who tune into Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Like all of the new subscribers. Guys, look at Chrissy. Chrissy wants the seed. Chrissy loves seed, you know, guys.
Yeah. Can't live for the seed.
Yeah, I know you're a female and female love seed.
Come on, laugh off me paper.
She love the seed.
It's female job to collect all the seed.
Yeah.
You know what I do with the seed though.
Come on, I know you do the best.
Guys, never do me bad.
So everybody cook different So I'm gonna also add some butter when it come on to the curry crab with the mango, just to add flavor. For me, I'm always appreciative of everything, so I just want to always take the time out to say big up to everybody who supporting Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog, because the platform is so big and everybody have a choice who they follow and who they support. But for every person always supporting Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog, like, it always a plus to me, you know?
Yeah, so guys, go over to Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog and subscribe.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add a little piece of butter into the crab. So the butter is gonna help to enhance the flavor of the crab. And for re-season, with some fresh scallion, fresh onion, bell pepper, and some fresh thyme. This is how Caribbean Vibes Cooking prepare the curry crab. So I'm also gonna add the green mango in. Yes, so I'm gonna add in the mangoes. And this is the best part about the crab, because you know mangoes, it's mango season, so we're taking advantage of the mangoes right now. You know, and mango bring a lot of flavor. And anything when it come on to flavor, that's Caribbean Vibes Cooking. We're all about authentic, we're all about trying new things, we're all about putting out new content so that person can relate.
Crab for days.
Leave me alone, brother.
Crab for weeks.
Like if you say you're not eating no crab today, channel, it's a vlog channel, anything we prepare for the channel, we are eating. No skepticism again for the channel, brother.
Pork for days.
Well, me not no problem, bro.
Better eat up the pork.
Yes, man. Talk to him, Chrissy. Better eat up the pork.
Stop talking about business.
My God, my God. Better eat up the pork.
Pork sweet.
Aye.
Yeah, people, so we actually check on the rabbit. As you can see, it's catching good color. Yeah. These are the rabbit liver, eh?
That's the rabbit meat.
We just turn it accordingly, because some part in the grill have heat more than some. So I don't really want to overcook some part and some part not cook. Yeah guys, crab done. So because I'm going to use the pot to cook the rice, so I'm going to show them.
Crab for days. You can remember when time a boy eat crab in the
World, can I taste that too?
Yeah man, you can taste all two.
My God.
But I taste you and taste you and then.
Me tell them how it tastes.
So I'm going to take up a few?
Oh, no man, I wait till the moment you talk about. People, oh my God.
Yeah, man.
My God.
I say eat it.
I saw me eat man, of course, it's nice.
Nice, just sing a
Oh
sing.
my God.
Alright, now get the pot wash out and
I
now
eat just like you.
get on the rice on the fire.
Caribbean Vibes. Cooking. So sweet.
Yes, I feel.
Brother, well done again.
Another great one.
Another great one.
My brother from another mother.
Yes, man. Hit.
Yeah, man, them money I follow the channel from before even 100 sub.
True.
And them man ever attempt to bro, keep up, never give up.
Yes, man.
You know what I mean? Because greatness is one thing will take time, you know, happen overnight.
So true.
So if you're out there and you want to be a YouTuber, nobody thinks it gonna happen in a 2 day.
True.
Me I do this one before in a COVID we I do this. You know, and the channel just start grow, so you know it thing come, it take a lot of work and dedication.
Yes.
So guys, if for the first year see the video, you know what to do.
Subscribe.
Fully active.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
The peeps, you get the rice seasoning. You add in some salt. You add me a piece of butter. You get in a piece of thyme. Cheese starter scallion. Piece of bell pepper. Half of that. Now all that onion. We're getting some Maggi all purpose. Come on, I'm gonna come up with it. Boil. When time boil up, we get in the rice.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to base the rabbit now. So, it's a regular jerk barbecue sauce. But some people say boy, they want to do a alteration to the sauce, but I'm going to do an altercation to the sauce. You see me? So, I'm going to add a little of the Jill Daniels to the sauce, because you don't know we are Jamaicans and originally we don't deal with Jack.
Yeah.
We prefer to deal with Jill.
Yeah.
You know, so you add a little of the Jill Daniels.
No Jack round here.
No Jack on here. And a small adjustment, guys, it's Jack Daniels. That's what mark on the bottle. It's Jack
What do
Daniels.
you call it? Jill?
No,
Jill.
it's
You don't
Jack.
deal with Jack.
I'm drinking Jack, not Jill. I'm drinking Jack. This is it. It's
I'm
Jack
not drinking
Daniels.
Jack. I don't drink Jack.
I have Jack.
Alright, so that's what we're drinking. We're drinking
I have
Jack
Jack.
Daniels.
No Jack round here.
Then we are going to base rabbit.
Okay.
Now, you see, when you come on to cooking, you see your sauce is one of the most important things, because your meat, you know, have no flavor, you know, it's fresh or whatever, but you see, once you have a good sauce,
Yeah, man, the sauce,
trust me,
man.
the seller,
Yes,
the
man.
sauce
Yeah.
is the boss.
Yes, man.
Base one side. Now, barbecue sauce having sugar. So when you have base your meat, you know, see when you have base your rabbit, get a nice color.
Yes, man.
You know, say anytime you cook, and you go base your meat. Worse if barbecue sauce you having sugar, you can't base it too early, because sugar burn easily. If you base it too early, your meat will look like say burn. When I really, truly,
You see your bun hot, boy?
Oi.
I really and
Only for
truly,
that we give him.
and the sugar burn.
Yeah.
No burning.
Tom, I love the part every minute. I don't the
Yes,
part.
all over your bun.
One thing, in any profession you do,
Bun enough for going.
you burn, you know. If you're an electrician,
Before I get up on
you get shot.
Yes, man.
Yeah, so this is your sauce, one of the most important things when it comes to your meats. Your sauce carry out. Your sauce can build you, or your sauce can kill you. So it's always important you have a good sauce to accompany your meat. Alright, so we'll cover back this now. This for your next 5 to 10 minutes, and then now we can start serving. Or it's finished.
The first I eat you. Ready for it. Ah, man.
So yes, peeps, as you can see, it even a come down. So we're getting the rice and I pat it out. And there's a rice ideas. Rice and curry crab.
Weeks too.
Rice and jerk pork.
You not get none.
Rice and rabbit.
You not get none.
Oh my word.
Oh my word.
Can't wait for pork done cook.
Belly star run.
Where's the time, man? Ready for your tail part?
And the tail part, my
I was parting, so when you call a part then?
channel.
It's the antenna.
The antenna. The antenna part.
That picks up everything.
I tell them, peeps, you're so nice.
Yeah, so let me click
You're
on
so
the
nice. You don't need to do here. Subscribe. All over the channel.
So I go start the rice now. Eat that taste.
My word.
Yes, man. I'll cover it up now. Cook now. Yes, man.
Yes, sir. You're so nice.
Yeah, people, so we're gonna make the dough for the roti. Big up to Chef Gary. Yeah. I come from far, brother.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Far.
Really appreciate the support, you know.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna use some butter and we are gonna use some baking powder. And we are gonna use a pinch of salt. Alright, Chef Gary.
Yes, chef. Yeah, head chef in them, is okay.
Oh, and you're supposed to run all this in a bed. Guys, the man run from the camera. I don't know what I'm doing. So we don't really want a lot of dough today. So instead of adding water to make the dough for the roti, we're gonna be using some milk. So I want the roti to have a nice, rich, milky flavor today. So we're adding some fresh cow's milk.
Straight from the breast.
And if I breast come from here, brother, what I know is a fresh milk.
Straight from the cow breast.
I don't know where it come from.
To the back, our back.
To the box or back.
Yeah. So that's how you get the roti for all tasting good when it come on to rich, milky flavor. And you have to remember that everybody make roti dough different. And the list goes on. There's so many things can add to the roti dough.
Yes, peeps, Chino, I'll get it back for the rice. I was normally, if you don't have a plastic bag, you can use fine paper to steam the rice. Yeah, man. I get the rice steaming now. Get the cooker clean out. Yes, man. So, we get the rice steam out now. So, good look.
So I'm currently making the dough for the roti, right? So I'm just making them into some small balls. Yeah. So it's very important to make the dough and leave it to sit so the dough can raise. So I'm making 6 roti today. Because you know roti take a lot of time, a lot of rolling and just to get it accurate. So I'm making 6 because it's a lot of rice today.
So you get the pork on the fire.
My word.
As I tell you, you know.
I eat piece right about now.
No bad no man look for this pork, you know.
My word.
Rasta, so when you say pork, you call Rasta there.
No, sir. Me piece before. Me piece.
No. Ayun, go on ayun. Go on ayun.
My word.
I don't come to make this man, I don't see me alone this.
No way.
Oh, you get it on the fire. Good old jerk
Yes, man.
pork. Peeps, I'm going one piece of pork I pork.
Caribbean vibes.
And me alone I eat it, but I'm going one piece of motor. See it? This. The antenna for tall man.
Yes.
Watch out, let him walk come on.
It's the only part you get to eat.
I only piece of your type pork. And like this, the antenna. Tall man.
It's not play for now.
Watch pretty pork man. Oh my world. Watch pretty pork. So I'll leave make it go and simmer.
Yeah, one guys, I tell you, say it's a crazy day today. Chances _ dogs spearfishing. I want brother from another mother. know what I mean? Them wanna make me know how important and how camping video is when you come on to sleeping outdoor, you know what I mean? I mean, I didn't want to show the first outdoor cooking content that we have whole it more for forward, brother. I'm going to come and pick up a package tomorrow, so but tomorrow we're ready again. Yeah, man, fully active, man. Yeah. So we are going to build the base sauce to the pork. So we are going to add a little tomato ketchup. And we're going to add a little bit of all-purpose season for additional flavor. Also gonna add some of the honey. It's all natural. So the honey helps to enhance the flavor of the pork, also help to give the pork a smooth taste with a rich coating.
Peeps, that boy always go like say, I him a pork god now. He always want to take over everything with pork. And that boy, I want him.
Well,
Do what you have to do.
So we're gonna add just a little bit of jerk marination.
Wow.
So we're actually building our flavor when it come on to the sauce for the pork.
And we say taste to flavor.
Oh my
And
word.
what? Flavor to
right.
taste.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Taste the
Caribbean
flavor,
vibes.
bro.
Wow. My world.
So we're building the sauce and making the sauce.
It's beautiful.
Watch out.
Sauce, man. Sauce.
Which is right.
Watch out.
You don't need nothing more, brother.
We're building the sauce and we don't want the sauce to be watery. We want the sauce to be stiff. Otherwise Jamaican people say thick.
Yeah.
So we want the sauce to have body. So we're gonna add just a little bit more honey towards the sauce.
Watch pretty pork, man. Go there. Hey boy, how we are though? I'm pretty pork, you know, can we throw water for
My God.
So I'm gonna actually coat the pork with the sauce now.
Yes, man.
So you could use a paintbrush or you could just dip the pork into the sauce.
Yes.
So the easier way is to dip the pork into the sauce.
Caribbean vibes. One more hit again.
Yes. One more hit for the burger there.
So we go right through thoroughly and coat the pork.
Come on, we can't wait no man. Just hurry up and do the pork.
Oh my God. God. Wow. It's a hit.
Put your part in that gravy too.
Yes.
Hold on, man, I'm saving the best for
Voila.
last.
Oh my word.
Why? Watch out, see there.
Yes, the antenna.
This pick up everything.
Watch out, gotcha.
That pick up everything and antenna.
The tail.
Get trouble door, you get trouble door.
Get trouble, man. Because
Gotcha.
it's not another flesh.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna allow the pork to absorb the sauce and then dip the pork back into the sauce again. So I'm gonna coat it 2 times.
Yes, Steve, so you check for the rice, hello. Watch rice. Chili, in the world. So ready now. That give about 10 more minutes.
Yes, man.
And then the rice, look on the road.
Up and running. Caribbean vibes,
And we used to cook into the world.
cook into the world.
What thing about
The flipping
Caribbean
world.
vibes?
Yes, man.
I wish a
Yeah.
flavor. I wish a spice.
Yes, man.
And I wish a team.
Best tasting food.
Yes, man. Rice so ready.
Look at
man.
rice scoop in here. Watch it. Let me see.
You know see?
This pot that's full of
Let's eat about 5 more minutes.
10 for the rice.
Yeah. Best tasting. What cover?
My world. I got pork already on the taste pork.
Beautiful jerk pork.
More. My God, more for time, man.
See,
Tall man, you know it's a thing.
that's what I was explaining to you guys. I don't really want to overcook the pork because by the time the pork penetrates the heat, then it will be getting so tender. So good, full a lot of flavor.
It's beautiful.
So I'm just gonna actually garnish the pork with some julienne carrot with some onion in some vinegar dressing.
Yes.
What's up, man?
Beautiful. Tell you?
Wow, my word.
Look at that. Look at that.
Caribbean vibes.
Caribbean vibes cooking.
So this is how me cook the jerk pork.
Yes.
I'm going to roll the dough, so I'm going to use the flour, pour the surface, the rolling pin, and get my dough rolled.
Yes, man, a roti king, man. Roti queen. Roti queen.
King or a queen?
Queen, I make mistake, but I did say queen. Watch out, Chrissy. You make you want to jump in and catch it.
I'll put it back in.
You gotta roll it, right?
Coolie teach him how to roll, you know. Coolie. Yeah, man, I coolie teach him, man.
Gotta do it, boy.
Yo, see man, I coolie teach him how to roll. I coolie, man. Yes, man.
Cock off. We lift and then cock off like that.
Take time and massage. You have to take your time and massage it. Yes.
Yeah, roll out it, yeah? Neat and fine. Like it.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll look at that.
Yes. That is it. That is it. Yes, come. Cock off your finger in town. Yeah, married finger. I like the ring on it.
Well, that is
Put that thing on it.
ready, Teddy?
Yeah, I'm married to an Indian, you know. So
No.
she know how to roll the roti.
Put them on here then.
What you want? Sit there.
Indian.
Good idea.
So guys, the pot is ready. So I'm gonna put the dough
Yeah, please, when I get the dough, I have to know. You have to use some oil and brush him and I go turn him. So. Yeah, man. I get some oil from the top to turn him.
Alright guys, so we're gonna turn the roti and see what's going on. On the next side, wow, beautiful. See color? That is it. That is it.
Bad boy cracky and in crow will have
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Everyone with that.
Great Michael, man.
Yeah, man.
You mean?
Two best mechanic.
Jack Daniel, you know?
Them bike mechanic, them two of
Yes,
them.
man.
And them service my girl for me and my wife.
Yes, man.
And then fix the bike in a car.
Yeah,
they're with them.
Right from the Caribbean.
Yes,
I
man.
eat this mad chef them. We are doing it.
Yes,
Yeah.
man.
Good is good, right?
Best curry crab with right rice and put with a name
Chirp.
rabbit. Hello. Nah, here.
Roti.
Yes, man.
Roti.
And we used to
Caribbean
active
vibes, cooking, best. Denton,
Yes,
pick up
man.
yourself.
Yes, man.
Team, Art of Love.
The whole team out, man. Mr. Singh, man. This is myself, brother.
Caribbean vibes cooking. You know, we think of vlog straight, you know.
Yes, man.
They are one of vibes.
Subscribe
Yeah, man.
and share.
Yes, man. Food so ready, man.
Right,
Yes, when time food done.
and right here.
Right, like, subscribe, and share.
Yes, man.
And notification bell.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Remember now.
Yeah.
Subscribe and share.
Share. Straight.
Turn on the notification bell.
Fully,
Yeah.
fully.
Turn on the notification bell.
Fully
Say you
active.
don't miss
Fully
anything.
active.
Yes, man.
Straight. Where they are, voila.
Yes, man. As I can see, peeps. Food soon ready. Yeah, man. Keeps you out.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, man. Keeps them out. Cameraman and all the vibes over there, so. Yes, man.
Yes, so we are check on the roti. Yes, as you see there, the roti, it's having the ear pack. And how you get the ear pack in the roti, as I was explaining in previous video, is by coating the roti with the brush with the oil. That's how you get the ear pack.
Yeah.
So you don't need a lot of heat under the roti, you know, because you want the roti to bake. So you can see the roti catching the real natural color that we want from it. So it's curry crab with roti along with white rice, with jerk pork and also rabbit.
Boss lady.
Yeah, man. When me have 40.
Yeah, Chrissy. Can't wait to get in a rabbit.
No, no.
Can't wait to get in a crab.
The pork.
Ah.
Pork.
Real roti lady. This is a roti lady. See her. Yes, man. No, she know for roll it, man. I cool the teacher, man. I cool the teacher. Roll it.
Roll it, girl.
That's my team, man. Caribbean Vibes.
Pick up on yourself, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe
Yes,
to the
man. I
channel.
will say that, man. Caribbean Vibes still flipping well.
Yeah.
Out there. Fat boy over there, sir. Yeah. Company road to see me.
Come on.
All here are done for the river. Yes, man. So I think set, man.
Man, Sir Wallace himself. Respect, sir. All the time. Appreciate your forwarding through checking
Sir
out the
Wallace.
content.
Pick up yourself, bro.
You're one supporter. Yeah, we have so many persons behind Caribbean Vibes. Like, I don't really get the chance like to tell them how much they mean to the channel. Like, even when like sometimes when I feel like I give up, like even Mr. Wallace, like he said, bro, keep on going, you know.
Yes,
So you know, that's how I keep grounded, because like I cannot do it alone. You know what I mean? Like, you know, you have a lot.
When people motivate you, it's a different level, bro.
Yes, man.
Yes.
When people motivate you and tell us, yo, keep on pushing, keep on going,
Yeah.
you cannot give up, no matter what in this life. Because at the end of the day, it's a nice little setting, nice little vibes. Everybody come out as a family and we celebrate and we just enjoy easily.
Yes, man.
For real.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Real look, man. It's a good look, man.
What do you mean?
Team Caribbean Vibes. Oh.
I guess them face and power.
Great. See the peeps, head washing are gone. Come on.
Yeah, no. They are going to wash up my natty.
Real, man.
Eh. Remember to subscribe. Subscribe.
like
Caribbean
the video.
Cooking Vibes.
Yes.
Right, that's all.
Like the video. You know I don't have.
Right, that's all. Yeah. Caribbean Cooking Vibes. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Alright then.
Greener there. The greener.
Come. Just jump fry us. No, you want to know deep because if me bring I can't turn up what does it. You want to know deep.
Out there, pool. Out there.
Open up.
This girl is happy. Follow them.
Yes, peeps. Look at the real nature. Yeah. Real Jamaican nature. Sweet River, our headquarters. Look at the nice pretty bamboo. Yes, peeps. If you want a place, if you're out, if you're, yeah, man. Sweet River, best place to be at. Yes, sir. Nice pretty bamboos. You hear the birds, the wind. Yes, sir. It's a good place to be. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog out. Yes, sir.
Is an open door. Everything I have is yours.
Hello, you want to burn up?
Write your name across my heart. Guys, it's a great day today, you know what I mean? Chilling with the family, Chrissy, Chef Gary. You know, they are coming from far, so you don't know anything. Come down. It's all about fun. It's a fun day, you know? That's what Caribbean Vibes is all about. Like, it's not only about showing how Caribbean Vibes prepare new menu, but also it's all about fun. Yeah.
Because the people are from Portland there and they left.
But
so I can't left and
no, you don't want to
take it away.
But yeah, be good. Be strong.
Yeah, man.
Keep safe. Travel home safe.
Yeah, man. I'm my first time, you know.
Yeah, man. We got to cover you, man.
Everything now goes smooth.
No, we know.
You're supposed to know that too.
But we want this smooth.
And every time things go smooth.
Watch him. No, we know. Come here. We want the two of them to be sitting inside. We told them to be sitting inside now.
Yo,
tell man.
Anyway, Chef, thanks for inviting me on the channel. Inviting me on the channel. Zane, you will see me again.
Yes,
go on turn your back, man. Go on turn your back.
My friend.
Big up yourself, bro G.
Love, see you,
Alright, yo.
for the journey.
Respect, Zane.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
It's about time now. Ship come ashore. So we'll get the food sharing. Yes, man, it's a great look, man. You see it, the food ready now. Everybody wait long time. Me can't wait neither. Curry crab, rabbit, pork. That's really flavor in the rice already. Oh man, sure. I want to just take it pot. I want to just take it pot and run off with it. Sweet about it.